Hello everyone. Like many, I had heard of Joshua Tree because of the U2 album that was released about 30 years ago. Needless to say that this park had made it to the top of the list. We're starting here with the Mastodon Trail, which is a fun and easy 3-mile loop. It's the perfect start, especially if you spend the night at the BLM that's situated at the southern entrance of the park like we did. But if you want a longer trail, you can easily combine it with the Lost Palm Oasis, and that's going to give you a total of 9 miles. The beautiful trail that you saw at the beginning is called Cottonwood Spring Oasis. Along this trail, you will see a lot of interesting rock formation, and there's also the remains of an old gold mine that had been in operation from 1934 to 1971. You'll be walking in desert washes, and towards the end, you're going to see some beautiful eucalyptus trees that had been planted a long time ago. As you will be heading north, you're going to be crossing this beautiful Choya cactus garden. This is really one-of-a-kind feature of this park. It provides access to an intense concentration of Choya cacti. They might look like cute fluffy cactus, but do stay away. They're covered in spines with little hooks that are going to latch to your skin at the slightest touch, and they're very hard to remove. Now, this garden is located on Pinto Basin Road. The loop is about a 1/4 mile, and it is well worth the visit. This is Split Rock Trail, which is a 2.5-mile loop with less than 300 feet in elevation gain. It's a nice and easy trail that should take you about 1 hour to do, and it was our first time that we saw some Joshua trees, because on the southern portion of the park, I think it's important to say that there are no Joshua trees on that portion of the park. This was my main reason to seeing the park. I wanted to witness sunsets with Joshua trees, and we were lucky because the sunsets were gorgeous every night, as well as the sunrises. We stayed at the Jumbo Rock Campground. All these sunrise pictures are taken directly from the campground, and it's also conveniently located to access the Skull Rock Trail and the Discovery Trail. This is Discovery Trail, and what I found very particular about this park is not only the Joshua trees, but the rock formations are very cartoon-like. For instance, here it's easy to see a turtle within this formation. Every turn you take, you're going to see another character. This is Ryan Mountain. This trail is about 3 miles long with a net elevation gain of 1,062 feet. It is pretty steep at times, but you will be rewarded with stunning views. This was our last stop. It's called Keys Views, and I think it was definitely worth the stop. So we're now leaving California on our way to Arizona. Our first stop is going to be Sedona. Now, there's other popular trails in this park that you might want to check out. Lost Horse Mine Trail and 49 Palms Oasis are 2 popular ones that are not covered in this video. And also, if you are into rock climbing, there is over 8,000 established climbing routes from beginner to extreme vertical cracks. So I hope you enjoyed.